Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for STEAM Explorations we are going to be making a homemade kaleidoscope. So in your craft packet you will have a sheet with 4 circles on it that you can decorate however you would like. I've already decorated one of mine and cut it out, so then you just cut out the circle, of course, punch a hole through the center. You can use scissors or a sharp pencil or a hole punch if you have one. Then you'll also have these 3 reflective little panels. So we are going to lay those face down, lined up all 3 together, and you just need some tape. You can use any kind of tape. It can be decorative, it can just be plain, whatever kind of tape you want to use. And we're going to attach those 3 panels together with the tape. So once we have the 3 taped together like this, then you're going to turn them, 2 of them in so that they meet and form a triangle. And we're going to add tape along the outside of this last set of edges to keep our triangle together with the reflective edges inside. So I'm going to line up my tape on one side and then hold those edges together and fold the tape over onto that other edge. Then my little triangle is complete. And then you'll also have a piece with a bendy straw in your packet, and we're going to take some more tape and we're going to tape that straw to the end of our triangle. So we want the bendy part to stick out over the top, and just add some tape to hold it in place. And then you're going to take your circle, poke the straw through and keep that bend down so that it kind of holds your circle in place. And then you can look through your kaleidoscope and see the patterns that you've drawn on your circle reflected in that reflective paper, and you have a homemade kaleidoscope. Very cool. Now you can also make more circles and do as many designs and decorations as you would like, and enjoy your very cool kaleidoscope. And if you'd like to decorate the outside of it, you're more than welcome to do that as well. So that is our project for STEAM Explorations this week, and I will see you next week for another STEAM project. Bye!